Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fourth Sudoku, a binary puzzle. And this one will be number 1292. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here O, there O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here O, there O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then let me see. Can I compare? I can compare with this column and that column. O empty box 1 1 O 1 1 O 1 1 empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then I need to compare, I think. Yes, yeah. I need to compare. Oh, wait. Double 1, here and O, there and O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then 2 O's, 3. No. Yeah, I need to compare. Let me see. Do I have here this row and that row? O 1 1 1 1 O 1 1 empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Alright. And now I still cannot continue. I need to find another. Double 1, do we have a double 1? Another. Oh, I need a column. 101. Hmm, 101. 1 0. Oh 10 then, oh 10 here, these two. 1, yes. 1 0. I need a 1 0 here. 1 0. Not. Alright. 10. So how about double 1, double O? Yeah. This one and that one. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Yes, completed in 5 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Complicated, but I've managed to solve it. You can do it also. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and one Sudoku is left to solve a tectonic. So see you later with the tectonic. Bye bye for now.